Good morning students, how are you? This is your science class, lesson 1, Adaptation in Plants. Plants grow almost all over the world either on land or in water. For example, high mountains, deep oceans, hot areas, cold areas and coastal areas. Plants that grow in water, aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. They grow in ponds, rivers, lakes and oceans. Aquatic plants are of three types: floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Floating plants. These plants float on the surface of the water. They are small, light and spongy. Some plants have air spaces in their stems and leaves. The air spaces allow the stems and leaves to stay afloat. Water hiking and duckweed are examples of floating plants. Fixed plants. These plants have roots which are fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have long, hollow stems to reach the surface of the water. They have also broad and wax-coated leaves to prevent them from rotting. Lotus and water lily are examples of fixed plants. Underwater plants. These plants remain completely immersed in water. Their leaves are very small or ribbon-like to offer little resistance to water currents. Stomata are absent in leaves. They are fixed to the soil with the help of their roots. Exchange of gases dissolved in water take place through the general surface. Hydrilla and tape grass are examples of underwater plants. Plants that grow on land, terrestrial plant. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Some grow on mountains and valleys where it is cold. Some grow in desert. Some grow along the sea coast. And some in marshy places. Thank you.